To complete a splice, you're going to need 4 tools of the trade: a pair of scissors, a Sharpie pen, your fids, and some tape. I always tape the end of my ropes before cutting them to stop fraying, and it's important to note for this splice that you need to have both ends free. In a later episode, we'll show you how to complete this splice if one of the ends is fixed. Selecting a fid that fits neatly inside the rope, you want to measure out 1.5 fid lengths from the tail and then create 2 marks, A and B, indicating the size of the loop you want to make. You now want to take the short end of the rope and feed it through the line at mark B. It's always a good idea to squash the rope together to make it easier for the fid to go through. Pull the tail through, ensuring that mark A crosses over at mark B, coming out at the other side. Now you want to take the long tail and put it through mark A. Once again, scrunching up the rope to make it easier to get the fid through. At this point, you've locked the rope back over on itself and your splice is fundamentally secure. Now to put the tail inside the line to complete the splice. Using your fid at the exit point of the splice, feed the fid up the center of the main core, sliding the tail up, making sure that you exit a good half fid length past the actual length of the tail. The final step in the process is to create a taper on the tail. This smooths out the start of the splice, preventing a bump which could get caught in pulleys and other lines. Pull the tail through and start taking out a few strands of the core. Cutting them off and then moving further up the line and repeating until you get to the stage where the end of the line is frayed but has many less strands than where you started with the initial cuts. Once you have completed the taper, it's just a simple matter of sliding the outer core over the inner, making the inner core disappear and completing your splice.